Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 mini PC under 300 in detail briefly. The top 3 mini PC under 300 links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Beelink U59 Pro Mini PC. The mini computer is designed with two HDMI 2.0, 4 USB 3.0, 2 gigabit Ethernet LAN, 1 Type-C and 1 mic headphone jack. It also comes with a 1 power adapter, 2 HDMI cables and 1 VESA mount. The small computer is ideal for diverse usage scenarios such as home, entertainment, games, office, online education, industry, etc. What makes the small PC stand out from other micro PC is that it has storage expansion. Beelink U59 Pro Mini Desktop PC has built-in 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB M2 SATA SSD, support up to 2TB of M.2 SATA3 SSD, 2280 halves, 0.5 inches 7mm SATA3 HDD. At the same time support dual LAN ports, faster internet speed, ensuring internet speed and performance. The latest wireless connectivity with 802.11 AC dual-band 2.4 and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi offers speeds up to 450 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 1300 megabits per second on the 5 GHz. Mini desktop computer equipped with Intel UHD graphics, up to 800 MHz, 24 execution units, supporting 4K video playback and web surfing, or connect to your projector as a home theater. Enjoy a variety of entertainment. Dual HDMI 2.0 and Type-C allow you to connect 3 monitors simultaneously, simplifying and doubling your work efficiency. Advantages: UHD graphics and dual HDMI 2.0. Dual LAN ports. Number 2. Beelink GK35 Mini PC. Beelink GK35 Mini PC Windows 10 Pro equips with Intel J4105 CPU, up to 2.5 GHz, 4 cores 4 threads, powerful hardware makes it run more stable. Creates smooth experience for your visual home entertainment, streaming video, web browsing, casual game, and work. Dual HDMI 1.4 support 4K and easily connecting 2 monitors, which can easily improve your work efficiency. Mini computers. Compact design, 4.5x4 by 1.69 inches, and silent fan design, efficient heat dissipation, quiet working. 9 interfaces meet daily office needs. 2x HDMI, 1x gigabit Ethernet, 4x USB 3.0, 1x audio jack, HP and MIC, 1x DC jack. GK35 Mini PC supports Wake on LAN, PXE boot, RTC Wake, Auto Power On, get into BIOS interface settings. Quiet idle and 9 interfaces. Dual display and wireless connection. Portable and powerful. Stable running speed. Number 3. B2 Plus Mini Desktop PC. Powered by N41204 core processor. Excellent CPU performance can easily deal with various complex work procedures. The DDR4 also improves 28% transmission frequency, very fast and no lagging or jumping. Mini desktop PC has high-speed 8GB DDR4 plus M.2 SATA 256GB SSD. Allow adding an M.2_NVMe_2280 SSD, up to 4 TB, or HDD, also can expand the storage with the micro SD card, up to 512 GB. Download your favorite movies, videos, photos, software applications. Mini desktop computer is equipped with UHD graphics 600 supporting 4K video playback and web surfing. You can easily expand the use of 3 screens for 2 times HDMI plus 1 times full-featured Type-C. Realize 3 functions of file transfer, charging and output video signal. Connect to your projector as a home theater. Enjoy a variety of entertainment. Advantages: strong connectivity and smart fan. Triple display support 4K 60 Hz. High-speed transmission.